Abakurase kaunti ya Meru nigo bakora ebikaro n'omorai bw'ense Dr. William Ruto emeye nyumba y'oborai enene litkolia lero uninchereyemo yogotinya ekiama gya ODM ensemeyo asebo igo Ruto alia EIRA chigose EIRA chinga kichiaye chiokoba liera EIRA yokobatona amagendero mokonyoye kithure kindiki yoyikirana ase ebikalebyo niganekia enyencho yekiama gya ODM kubwaterana n'ebya mabinde elyogotinya obunyamasi bwabo bwa siasa BOSIO BW'OBOCHORI obonene bw'omwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2025 muri kito Daniel Omwaga nigaira chinga kichaye cyabene nabo igogotwaliganira oroboti rokubwatia
Kitariki sato mutinyo kabere echumatano mambia Omorai bw'ense Dr. William Ruto nigo litkolia lero OMORAI na Abarai Korwa ase county ya Meru imeye nyumba nene y'oborai ya State House mu cyo Nairobi bakora uno mugabana abwe county yu Isaac Muduma ibikaro bekwana no mokonyo ye Professor Kidure Kindiki egekarekio nigo kyarengete gotinyo bujamasi bwe kyama kya UDA ensemo y'ebinyoro imeye county eyo amo nakobeka keria enchera yo gotinyo boremi nobotugi imeye nsemeyo kokwana ekerekio nigo Omorai bw'ense William Ruto abayitorera kibiri ekibesa egati yabo nekero abarelia EIRA yogo cyakobwato ka kishiringi billion yemo gucyasobwaga kibonya gitari ya Meru nabo igo kishiringi million yemo gucyasobwaga kibonya gitari ya Nyambene Hospital.
Tuko na yeah, I have also authorized another 100 million tutengeneze hospitali level 3 ya pale Nyambene. Taona katika supplementary budget we've given some money for the installation the milk coolers for Meru because we already bought 230, you know, so that program is moving. We have 17 markets in Meru that we are building. 17 markets. Yes. No administration has done the number of markets, not even a quarter. Na sio soko ya mabanda hii ya kwenda kujenga. Soko ya maana. Sindio, sio sheds. Sindio. Budget yetu ya Meru kwa just one department ni 21 billion.
Nonyanigo ogokwana hekerekio mugabana abwe county ya Meru Isaac Muduma nigo arekana ko amwachi abororo egati y'Abarai bali abatagete ko bagana orogongo rwa Meru asayene kyanga nigo baramo na nigo bagendrete ko musiro mokonyi bw'Omorai bw'ense Kidure Kindiki.
Wale ambao wanataka kugawanya Meru, eti Meru si Tharaka, Tharaka si Meru, ni ukweli Tharaka si Meru, na wala Igembe si Tigania, Tigania si Imenti, hiyo yote tunaelewa, lakini tunajua sisi ni mtu moja. We are behind and solidly behind your deputy president.
Omo senator abwe county eyo Kaduri Murungi nigarwa okoboria gokobwatana abwe kyama kya UDA elyogetware onyamasi obotingu mubwekano abwe kyama keria gya ODM.
Your Excellency, na sisi ODM ikinjipanga kuungana na wewe, sisi tukiwa community ya Meru lazima tukushike mkono katika chama ya UDA so that you can be as strong as the ODM. You cannot go to negotiate with ODM when UDA is weak. So we must make UDA as strong as possible. Very good. And Your Excellency, sisi tukiwa watu wa UDA wale wako hapa, milango yetu tumefungua kwa kila chama, kila mtu pale Meru. Tuungane pamoja, tuunganishe kila chama.
Ase ensemo yaye mokonyi bw'Omorai bw'ense Professor Abraham Kidure Kindiki nigaruko bolia gokubwatana we kyama kiria kya UDA amone byama binde buna kiria gya ODM ilikobeka omoseto emekongu yege siasa imeya serikali.
You know, a political party is very important, and we want to encourage the broadening of our political leadership, the inclusion of ODM and other parties, because we need to solidify national unity. And we support the president to reach out to everyone in the country so that we can have a massive political movement to help him deliver.
Asebono Omorai bwense William Samoei Ruto ritkoria nkyo alaribene gochikomana na abaraneri bebirogo au akurese kyama kya UDA ibare chiribu 12 chimya 235 buna enchire ya moyo gotinyo munyamasi bwe kyame BW'ENSE ya Kenya ine ekyama kya UDA ingechikonyara kubabalia na kobuna chimbebe BOSIO OBOCHORI OBONENE na korosia serikali asentunda ya kabere. Inkoripota ya hegeteseni igien soko TV ireteria nanchenkuru kwa Daniel